Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make chicken spaghetti. So let's start. First you need to boil some water, and these are spaghetti. Add in water and let it boil. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of salt. Bring to boil. After that, add few pinches of food color and mix. After it's ready, drain them out. Next step is to create a sauce. You will need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 3 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, and half tablespoon of black pepper. Mix well. And now add salt according to taste and our sauce is ready. Now take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. And these are some vegetables. You can add purple cabbage and white cabbage. And also green, yellow, red and orange capsicums. Now add them all in and mix. Now add salt and some black pepper. Mix well. Now after some time, take it out in a bowl. After taking them out, in the same pan add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 breast chicken pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and after that add black pepper and salt. Add 1 nor cube and add the 2 tablespoons of sauce that we made earlier. Mix well. It will look something like this. Next, add all of the vegetables that we made earlier. Now mix them all together well, and now add the remaining sauce but 2 tablespoons. Now mix until they all get combined well. Now add the drained spaghetti. After adding, mix well. Now add the whole sauce. After adding the sauce, combine everything well and add some ketchup and these are some garnishings. And now our recipe is ready to serve. Our dish chicken spaghetti is ready. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.